Today, I'm going to teach you how to update Zoom on your computer. Keeping your Zoom application up to date is essential for accessing the latest features, security patches, and ensuring smooth video conferencing experiences. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app on your computer. Once it launches, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email address and password correctly to access your account. This step is necessary because the update feature is only accessible when you're signed into the application. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Zoom window. Here, you'll see your profile avatar, which is typically a small circular image, or your initials if you haven't set a profile picture. Click on this profile avatar to reveal a drop-down menu with various account and settings options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Check for Updates and click on it. This action prompts Zoom to connect to its servers and search for any available updates for your current version. The app will now scan to see if you're running the latest version or if there's a newer one available for download. At this point, you'll need to wait a moment while Zoom searches for updates. Since I'm using the updated version in this demonstration, it will likely inform me that no updates are necessary. However, if you're running an older version, the app will detect this and let you know that an update is available. This process usually only takes a few seconds, so be patient while it completes the check. If an update is available on your end, you'll see a prompt with either an update button or an install button depending on your system. Go ahead and click on whichever button appears. This will begin downloading the latest version of Zoom to your computer. The download time will vary depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the update, but it typically doesn't take very long. Once the download and installation process is complete, you'll need to restart your Zoom application to apply the changes. In some cases, depending on the nature of the update, you might even need to restart your entire computer to ensure everything is properly installed and configured. Don't skip this step, as it's crucial for the update to take full effect and for you to access all the new features and improvements. And there you have it. You've successfully updated Zoom on your computer, ensuring you have access to the latest features and security enhancements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.